In this particular video, I want to give you a very simple strategy which I've actually used to make money from the crypto space on daily basis. Okay, if you apply this particular strategy, you're really gonna be getting a good result on daily basis. Okay, so now if you take a look at here, this is Dexscrener. Okay, and if you take a look at here, you find that a lot of people are listing millions and thousands of coins on daily basis. So if you apply and master one particular strategy here, you're really gonna be getting a good result on daily basis over all these coins that you are actually seeing here. Also remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, do your own proper due diligence before you dive in. If you doesn't actually know how all these things work, or maybe they are new to you, you can come for a class of one-on-one, so I can actually teach you how to spot all these coins and how to make profit from them, so you can actually understand it properly before you dive in. So guys, before we continue, for those of you that are in our free Telegram group, I want to use this opportunity to tell you guys that our Telegram group had some issues so which we couldn't control, and now we already have a new Telegram group. So if you are in the old account, you can now go ahead and join the new Telegram group. It's for free. The link is down below this video. Okay, so and if you want to join my VIP group, if you want to learn step by step how to go about this trade, you can send me message or Telegram or WhatsApp. The link is down below this video. Okay, so now if you take a look at this particular coin as a case study here, if you take a look at this particular coin, which is this particular coin here, okay, this is one, and this is two. Okay, this particular coin. Okay, the reason why I actually use this particular coin as a case study here is because they are in million. If I want to trade a coin, I must make sure that that particular coin is above 1 million market cap, okay, before I dive into the coin. In most occasions, I use 10 million market cap. Okay, the reason is because crypto market is very highly volatile, so I must make sure that the coin is a good coin before I dive in. So in most occasions, in a very simple way which I actually do this particular thing is that if you take a look at here, let me show you. I already have a particular wallet which I'm doing which if you want to start this kind of trade, you need Phantom wallet, and this is Phantom wallet over here. This is Phantom wallet. If you don't have it, you can go to Play Store and do what, and get one for yourself before you start. So this is actually where you really gonna be buying this coin. Okay, it's very, very important. Okay, so once you see the coin in Dexscrener, you need a place to buy the coin. So in this case study, I already have what I do is that I follow a major wallet. Okay, so this major wallets you are seeing, before they buy, I weigh up this particular coin in or this particular wallet. In most occasions, this particular wallet buys 10,000 worth of a coin. Okay, just like as you can see over here, let me show you. If you take a look at here, the coin that I narrated to you here, the other one is called Toes coin. Okay, and the other one is Hope coin, and the rest. Okay, so now what happened is that this particular wallet buys a huge amount of coin. Okay, just it's not a random coin. Sometimes I see this particular coin, this particular wallet buy up to 10,000 worth of a coin. So immediately he buys 10,000. What I do is that I wait a little bit. The ones he bought now goes down a little bit. Let's say he bought with $10,000. I must make sure he have already bought with a huge amount, like $10,000. Then the next thing I do, I wait. Immediately that coin he bought for $10,000 drop for 9,000. That is a buy for me. What I do is I go ahead and do what? As you can see over here, the guy is buying a lot of coin, and if you go to Mexi or Bybit, you're really gonna be seeing all this coin. Okay, some days ago this coin was launched, which is AI coin. Okay, okay, this guy bought, you can see he bought a lot of it. And even this monad, okay, was launched in popular exchange. Okay, this guy bought, and in most cases this guy will make 50%, 100%. So what I do is I go ahead and buy. Okay, so and if you want to get the address to this guy, I will only give to my VIP members. So make sure you join my VIP members. Okay, that's the people I'm gonna be giving this wallet. Okay, so now let's take a look at this. So this particular second guy is also another person that I look up to. Whenever this guy buys, I go ahead and do what? And buy. As you can see now, he just bought $14,000 worth of this particular coin called Bobo. So let's go and see this particular Bobo and also show you how you can on your own be able to spot this kind of opportunity on your own without following any wallet. Okay, so let's go. So I take my time to do what? To make research about a particular wallet. It's not just a random wallet. So whenever how you can actually on your own be able to spot this kind of opportunities is for you to be able, when a particular coin that is doing well get launched, then you spot the higher person that are using bigger money to make, people that use like let's say 10,000 USDT to make 50%, 30%, 100%. You doesn't need someone who use $1 to make $10,000. Those ones are lucky guys. Okay, you need a guy that has a win rate, a proper good win rate. Then you study what that guy is doing. So if you take a look at here, this is the bubble which the guy just bought right now. So this is the coin, and the guy already bought from the deep, and now the guy have actually made some money. This guy was buying at 8 million market cap, and if you take a look at this now, this is almost I think it should be up to more than 20% of profit that this particular guy have actually made. Okay, so the guy have made money from. So this is the coin the guy is actually doing what? Buying right now. So you need to understand all of these particular stuffs, okay, before you start entering the market. So what you need to do is to, once you have monitored that particular wallet and see if that particular person is profitable or not. So once that guy is profitable, how you find a profitable person is someone who can actually buy low, okay, buy low and sell high. Okay, and you must make sure that the liquidity is actually what? Locked up, okay, before you are buying that particular coin. Okay, this is what you, and make sure that the market cap is also in millions. Okay, so you can be able to have liquidity from that particular market. This one of the things you can use it to make a lot of profit from the market. Okay, so this is how it actually works. So if you want to be getting signal like this on daily basis, make sure you join my VIP group so that you can be getting daily signals on this. Okay, it costs you only 30 USDT for you to subscribe for the VIP group. Thank you. Peace out.